Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to install EasyScreenCast in any Linux distribution using GNOME extensions. So EasyScreenCast is a screen recording software which gives you very less output video size and a good quality of the screen recorder. So first of all, you have to watch a video in the description on how to enable GNOME extensions in any Linux distro. Link is given in the description. After that, you have to open this link in the browser. Okay. And now just turn this option on. And when you turn this option on, it will give a pop-up to install the extension. So just click on install and wait for it to get installed. And you can see the extension in the top panel, right? And if you go to the installed extensions, you see it is right here, and you can edit the settings using this blue icon, configure this extension. Click on the pop-up right here and you see the settings of this extension that we have just installed, EasyScreenCast. So if you go to the quality, I want to give it this one here. Webcam, we don't want it. File, we can go for the MKV encoder, which will give you very less file size. In destination folder in the videos, it will be saved. Let us see what other options we have. Now you can close it, and if you click on it again, you can even choose an audio source, and here you can choose whichever you want. But I am already recording a video, the screen recording, so that is why I cannot. You can just select the default audio source, and in the record all desktop, you can even choose any selected window. Like if we click on it, you can choose this Mozilla Firefox browser and it will record that only. But I am going to record all of the desktop, so we just choose the options accordingly. Okay, and if you click on options, again we get the settings of this EasyScreenCast, and now you can just start the recording. But I cannot start the recording because I am already recording with another screen recorder. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.